One of our priorities here at Libertas Institute has been working on reforming the annual tax on business supplies.
Hey Nikki, what are you doing here? Is this another one of your boring HR videos?
Guys, I'm right in the middle of talking about the tangible personal property tax.
Oh, we know all about that.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. Out. As I was saying, the tangible personal property tax requires Utah businesses to pay a tax every year on already purchased property. This means counting up every desk, chair, computer, machine, etc. And if the government doesn't think you did it quite right, you'll probably be audited. Oftentimes, the amount of tax revenue generated from taxing one business is less than the cost it took to collect the tax in the first place. This year, the Utah legislature made some substantial improvements to how this tax is implemented. Representative Carrie Ann Lisenby and Senator Dan McKay worked on a bill which exempts all property owned by a business if its acquisition cost was less than $500, regardless of whether that property is critical to the operation of the business. This means no more counting up silly things like tables, desks, and chairs. And that's not all. Senator Dan Hemmert also ran a bill which puts Utah on a path to having all counties administer this tax using an online system like some counties have already implemented with success. This will make it much easier for small businesses to keep track of tangible personal property from year to year. We still have some concerns with the way audits are conducted in some of the counties, so our work is not finished. Utah needs to continue to find ways to remove some of these hurdles for small businesses to help them thrive. To see some of the other content we've created to draw attention to this tax, check the description below. For Libertas Institute, I'm Michelle Eden.